Hey, it's one of those Friday things again with this. That was your lick for this week. It's a cool one. It's kind of a rocky-ish one, nice and melodic. It's using C# minor pentatonic. For those that are interested, I've set up a new Patreon page, link in that card just popping up, or if you want to, go to the description box below and it'll be on there. I'm not abandoning YouTube at all, so you'll still be getting these free Lick Friday videos every single Friday. But basically the Patreon thing is going to allow me to make more videos, so for those that are interested in subscribing, please go along and have a look. It'll be absolutely brilliant if you could. It'll mean so much to me, and please, you know, don't worry, I am not losing the YouTube stuff, or you are not losing the YouTube stuff. It is still going to be the same amount of stuff turning up on YouTube. It's just going to mean that there'll be more videos on Patreon. The more subscribers I get, the more time I can put into creating videos, which means sort of more technique lessons, more lick lessons, more jamming tracks, more jams, the whole lot. That would be amazing to be able to put more time into this, not only for me but for you guys as well, because you seem to enjoy them, which is rather nice, so thanks very much. So the lick itself, C# minor pentatonic. It's a nice, fairly straightforward lick to play. The backing track that it's over will be at the end of this video, but it's only a 2-minute snippet of the full track, which for now is only available on the Patreon page. There is the first thing. If you sign up, you may get that. Hey. Anyway, I'm going to give you the breakdown for it now. So it all sounds good? Yes, let's do that breakdown. Breakdown. We have nice and easy, double stop. Well, I say nice and easy. Double stop on the 2nd and 3rd strings. We've got 12th fret 2nd string, 11th fret 3rd string. You only bend the 11th fret on that 3rd string. So full tone bend, and then you let it down without hearing that note come down. Then on beat 3, you've got the same thing, but this time you bend up and let it down. So then you go to keeping your little finger where it is on that 12th fret. You've got fret 9 on the 3rd string with a slight blues curl leading you into fret 11 on the 4th string. And that you carry on through the whole of bar 2, which goes on to the palm mute section, which is the 3rd string, 11 9 11 9, and then 11 9 on the 4th string. And that pattern repeats itself one more time. Okay, then you've got straightforward 11 9 3rd string, 11 9 on the 4th string, so you should end up with that bar being okay. Then we've got a standard sort of pentatonic lick with a bend on the 11th fret full tone, straight to fret 9 on the 2nd string, 9 on the 1st string, back to 9 on the 2nd string, 12th fret full tone bend with a little bit of vibrato if you can get it in, and then it's straight to the 9th fret 1st string, 12 2nd pull off to 9, 11 on the 3rd, 9 on the 2nd, 9 on the 3rd, 11 on the 4th, and slide that out to the end. So I'll play it slow for you now. 3 and 4 and So thank you very much for watching the video. If you want to play along with the backing track, there is a 2-minute snippet at the end of this video. But the full track is only available on the Patreon page, and it will be available on YouTube. It will be available on iTunes and Spotify and all that sort of stuff at a later date. But for now, it's only available to Patreon. So unless you do the 2-minute snippet of it, but you won't get the whole track, you don't get the whole flavour. This is probably a 5-6 minute track, so you're losing that 4 minutes. Anyway, blabbering. Yeah, I will see you all next week, and I hope you enjoy this lick. Remember, part 2 of this, so week 1, 6, 7, there is a Patreon only lick available. See you soon.